Hey, Chuck here from Brand New Vegan. Welcome to day 21 of our 2021 challenge. Welcome back, guys, to the 21st day of our challenge. So this whole challenge was originated February 24th for me to lose some weight. That was the bottom line. I wanted to lose some weight, 21 pounds in the year 2021 because of 2020. And it's working. It's working great. But we've got some interesting side effects happening right now. So I invited my Facebook friends and YouTube friends to join me if they'd like to. And a lot of people have. I think 2,800 people have signed up so far. So that's where we have to talk about safety and precautions as far as the side effects. I'll get into that in just a second. First of all, here's my stats for today, and we're doing great. I've lost 10.5 pounds, holding steady there. Blood pressure continues to be stable in the normal range at 118/75. And you can see what it used to be. That's what we're going to talk about here in just a second. Blood pressure. So we're doing that by eating real food. I mean, that's the whole bottom line of this challenge. We're just eating very clean. We're eating real food, not processed, not fast food, not restaurant food, nothing like that. Just potatoes, oranges, bananas, vegetables, salads, beans, real food. Breakfast every morning for me is the same. I have oatmeal with water, some blueberries, and a banana. I have one slice of Ezekiel toast, and I spread a little Marmite on it. My lunch today was a bowl of my cabbage soup and a couple of tostadas. I take corn tortillas, pop them in the air fryer, put them on medium toast setting, 1 or 2 minutes per side. Keep a really close eye because they burn quickly. And then I spread them with refried beans and top them with salsa, lettuce, cilantro, cherry tomato, whatever you want. And here's another view of those tostadas. They're really good. And they give you that crunch feeling that we're all missing, according to the Facebook post. For dinner last night, I was going to make my mushroom stew, and I ended up making this. Mushrooms, and I used my gyro recipe. And by the way, all these recipes will be down in the description box below. And if there is one, there'll be a recipe card up here in the upper right-hand corner. I sauteed half an onion and some mushrooms and red bell pepper. And then at the last minute, I realized I didn't have enough to serve 3 people since I have a visitor spending a couple of days with us. So I added about a cup of rehydrated soy kernels. No, I haven't been doing soy in a challenge, but I did this just so we would have enough for everybody, and it was really good. I put that open face on a piece of Ezekiel toast, and I topped it with some sauerkraut and some pepperoncini salad peppers and a little mustard. Really good. I got some homemade home fries back there from the air fryer. Delicious. So you can see that the food is very simple. It's all real food, nothing processed, like I said. And it is doing what I hoped it would do. I'm losing weight. I've dropped 10.5 pounds in 21 days. But as I said, there's another side effect, and that's what we have to talk about. So this is really important, guys. Here's my blood pressure. Here's my wrist cuff and my arm cuff, which for me is wonderful. These are great numbers. I'll take them. But what we have to look out for are some of you who are doing this also. I'm not taking any blood pressure meds, but some of you are. So we got this in the Facebook group, and I have a Facebook group. There's a lot of us in the group that are doing this. You don't have to join the group, but if you'd like to have a place where you can have company, have somebody buddy up with you and do this challenge with you, I'll put a link down below. Feel free to join us. But one of the people sent me this. I had to drop the challenge for now. My blood pressure is going too low. I'm still watching what I eat. I don't need to lose any weight. I'm fine where I'm at. But the whole point of her doing the challenge was she had high blood pressure at night and low in the morning. So this blood pressure, guys, is too low. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about. And by the way, this gal here is on medication too. But if you're on meds, it might drop too much. So anything under 90 or 60 is considered hypotension compared to high blood pressure, which is hypertension. So if it gets under 90 or 60, you guys want to take this really seriously. There could be side effects. It can be very damaging to you. It could put you in shock. Not trying to scare anybody, but work with your doctor, please. That's the whole point of this. I'm not a doctor. I can't tell you what to do. I can't prescribe anything. I'm just here trying to lose some weight. Y'all are joining me to lose some weight too. But if you're taking meds, and like I said, side effect of this happens to be your blood pressure, maybe even your blood sugar is going to start dropping, which is a good thing. But you want to make sure your doctor is aware of this. So if you're taking meds, he can either lower your dose or get you off of those meds, which ultimately is the goal, right? Get off the meds. But you want to do it safely and under his or her guidance. That's very important. So let's be smart about this. I don't want anybody getting hurt. Here's the chart. So the green part of the chart is what we want to be at. Less than 120 for our systolic, less than 80 for our diastolic. Now, I've been all over the place on this chart. I've had pre-hypertension for a long time. I've had stage 1 for a long time. And in fact, when I had my stroke last year, I was in stage 2 on that day. So yeah, it's kind of scary being up that high. But my normal before this challenge was 125, 130, over 85, 90, sometimes over 100. So just by eating the way I am, I've lowered that into the green area, which is where I want to be. And that's without any medication at all. But if you're taking meds, you might drop into that blue area. And that's the danger zone. Be careful. If it gets under 90 over 60, call your doctor. Make sure they know. And hopefully they'll work with you and get you off or lower your dosage of meds. And that goes for your blood sugar too. Work with your doctor. This is very, very important. And here's a really good guide on how to check your blood pressure. And I've said it before too. You want to be sitting still. You want to be sitting upright. With the back straight. Feet flat on the floor. Keep your cuffed arm on a flat surface at heart level. And take an average of 3 readings. And be sure to log it. Take a picture with your phone, write it down, whatever you need to do. That's very important information for your doctor. All right? Makes sense? Be smart, be safe. It's good. We all want to lower our blood pressure, but again, we want to do it safely and under the guidance of our doctor. Don't just go off the meds yourself. That's not going to help you if something happens and you get sick. We want to make sure that we're doing this the right way. Okay? All right. That's all I have for today. So far, everything's going good. I have no idea what's on the menu for tonight. I'll let you know. But today is day 21. 3 weeks. Wow. You ready for day 22? Let's see what it brings. I'll see you then. Until then, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. While you're on YouTube, have you ever noticed underneath it shows the little Brand New Vegan sweatshirts and stuff? Yeah, I actually bought one. Yeah, I know it's mine, but I still have to pay for them. I wanted to see what they're like. And it came in the mail finally, and you can take a look. I got this really good hoodie. Get away from the microphone. There we go. I like it. It's very comfy. So if you ever wondered about that little row of stuff underneath the videos on YouTube, that's what it's all about. It's BNV official merch. So if you're interested, feel free. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to